Hello, my friend. Here, I'm going to show you how to change chart layout on TradingView and customize your workspace for better chart analysis and a smoother trading experience. Whether you're a beginner or a professional trader, this TradingView chart layout tutorial will help you organize your charts exactly the way you want them. TradingView is one of the most powerful platforms for market analysis, used by traders, investors, and enthusiasts around the world. With the right setup, you can streamline your workflow, interpret data more efficiently, and make smarter decisions, all with just a few layout tweaks. Let's get started. Open your web browser and go to tradingview.com. Once you're on the homepage, you'll notice a vast amount of market data and tools. It may seem overwhelming at first, but don't worry. I'll show you how to simplify and structure your workspace using TradingView layout settings. Once you've logged in, click on Chart from the main menu to open your main charting interface. Now look for the layout icon. It's usually located on the top or bottom toolbar of your TradingView screen. Click on this icon to open the Layout Customization menu. Here, you'll see several options for changing how your charts are displayed. You can choose from single chart, dual chart, quad chart, or multi-chart layouts depending on your trading style. For example, if you prefer to focus on one market at a time, a single chart layout is ideal. But if you trade multiple assets or timeframes, selecting a multi-chart layout on TradingView allows you to view multiple charts side by side, perfect for comparison and correlation analysis. Spend some time exploring the available options. You can drag and resize charts, change their positions, or even duplicate layouts. This flexibility is one of the reasons traders love customizing TradingView charts. Next, consider your personal workflow. If you're someone who uses a lot of technical indicators, you might want a wider chart area with less sidebar clutter. On the other hand, if you track different assets simultaneously, such as Forex, stocks, and crypto, then a multi-window TradingView layout will help you see everything in one glance. Remember, there's no universal best layout. The perfect setup depends on how you trade. The beauty of TradingView customization lies in its flexibility. You can easily adjust, save, and modify your workspace anytime. Once you've found the layout that fits your needs, don't forget to save your TradingView layout. This ensures that your preferred configuration loads automatically the next time you open TradingView, saving you valuable setup time before each trading session. Thank you for watching this TradingView Layout Settings Explained guide. If you found it useful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more updates.